Aft Galley Pocket Explorer with more volume and range than most super yachts. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Sweet Caroline. We're so excited to bring the boat to market. You know, it is such a rare boat, being the only aft galley one in the world. But the aft galley layout obviously gives you a massive lounge area. You can sit on the aft deck. From there, you can look forward through the salon, watch the TV from there. I just think this particular layout really suits an owner-operator family. You know, there's a number of upgrades the owners have put into this particular boat. Full set of clears for the aft deck, breezeways, 5-metre Boston whaler, hydraulic folding mast, and a touch-and-go helipad with a 3.5-tonne load rating. This has the new Euro style outdoor formal dining area with a micro bridge upstairs behind the helm. Regarding the performance of the vessel, you know, it has a sprint speed of 24 knots. She's powered by twin V10 MTU 2000 series 1600 horsepower units, Sea-Torque driveline, Boss enclosed shaft system, which really, you know, creates a smooth and efficient ride. So this particular boat has 14,500 litres of fuel compared to the standard FD80, which holds 10,200 litres. Sipping only 80 litres an hour at 10 knots, you can really go a long way. You know, the boat has really been set up to go further, and I think that's why the FD series has been so popular. You know, they're just so well equipped. They've got all the fuel you need, they've got all the fridges, all the ice machines, all the freezers, everything's here. It's just turnkey, ready to disappear out into the wilderness. Kimberleys, South Pacific, you name it, New Zealand, it's ready to go.